Hello and welcome to the step-by-step video tutorial on how to hard reset your TCL 20XE to remove a forgotten PIN, password or fingerprint pattern. Getting locked out of your device can be frustrating, but don't worry, as we will guide you through step by step to unlock your phone without password. Before we begin, hard reset means your phone will be back to factory settings and as a result will erase all your data. If you are ready, let's get started. To initiate the hard reset process, you need to power off your phone first. So press and hold the power off key until you see the power off options on your screen. Now tap on the power off. Wait for the phone to completely turn off. Now here comes the tricky part. You need to hold the volume up and power keys together. As you see the TCL logo on the screen, release the power key and keep holding the volume up key until you see the recovery screen on your phone. Now in the recovery menu, you need volume keys to navigate and power key to select your option. So I will select the wipe data factory reset and select it using power key. Now again using volume key, select factory data reset and power to select your option. Wiping data, formatting cache, data wipe complete. Now you can reboot system now using power button. Your phone will now reboot. Your device will now boot up as if it's fresh out of the box. Follow the setup process and you will be ready to use your TCL 20XE again. There you have it. You have successfully hard reset your TCL 20XE to remove that forgotten password. Remember to restore your backup data and set up your security options to avoid this situation in the future. If for some reason you are still asked to verify a PIN or use my Google account instead, this means your phone is a PURPY lock. And don't worry, we have also made another video tutorial. The link will be given in the description of this video. If you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.